Jim Flattery wants to know hand position on steering wheels on track. So we're going to make this kind of official. Somehow I just picked out right in the left-hand glove. So, okay, if you're driving, now everybody sees like the pictures Formula One guys, they got their hands on top, you know, tuck down the car, they're driving like that. And everybody wants to start driving with their hands up here and grasping the steering wheel really hard. Well, an exercise to try is extend your hands fully. I go back up. And just go like this, like you're turning the wheel. And just feel, you know, the muscles in your shoulder and arms. I actually drive with my hands on the bottom of the steering wheel. Like about 4 and 8-ish in there. And the reason for that is just take your hands, put down there, and try going like this. Absolutely no effort to it at all. I mean, there's just no effort. I can be much smoother down there, and then I don't like turn the wheel and turn back. I'll kind of shuffle the wheel between two hands. When I want to turn, I'll turn up a little bit. If I need to turn more, I'll just shuffle down a little bit so I keep my hands on the bottom. But rarely will I get it more than about there. It's a very unique corner that I would get my hands at more there. But if you put your hands on the bottom, I mean, you can try this exercise and you're just going to blow you away. You just go like, I got to back up. You just kind of go like this, see what it feels like, and then go like this. And going like this is going to just absolutely wear you out. And that's the last thing you want to do is get worn out, because you get worn out and tired, you make mistakes.